A very good morning, girls. Once again, welcome to the online classes of numerical analysis, and lecture number is 28. And in the previous lecture, we are discussing the concept of the backward differences. No, so in that already I gave the formula and I entered all the values. Just you have to take the addition and subtraction and multiplication only by using the calci, and you will get the answer as 0.22, approximately 0.2238754. Definitely you have to observe that we are calculating at x equal to 2.0, right, which lies between 1.9 to 2.2. So we have to get the answer which lies between those. Okay, so now again I am going to discuss the next one, that is centered difference. Okay, what is the topic, ma? Centered differences. Okay, so coming to the centered difference, just write down definition. A number of divided difference formulas are available for this case, each of which has situations when it can be used to maximum advantage. These methods are known as centered difference formulas. Okay, so for the next line write down. For the centered difference formulas, we choose x naught near the point being approximated and label the nodes, NODES, nodes ante points anamata, x values, directly below x naught as x1, x2, x1, x2, x3, up to so on, and those directly above x minus 1. Insufficient, you have to write x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, and so on. Above x1, x2, x3. Below, x naught above values anni kuda x1, x2, x3. Below x minus 1, x minus 2, so on. Okay. Now write down. This centered differences is also called as Stirling. STI, Stirling. Okay, Stirling formula. Okay, and it is given by, now here I am writing the formula, now just note down, f of x naught plus s h by 2. Okay, middle no, so that's why h by 2, f of x minus 1 comma x naught plus f of x naught comma x1. This is a one term, plus s square h square of f of x minus 1 comma x naught comma x1. I will say how we will get like this. Okay, so plus s into s square minus 1 h cube. H square is finished. Next h cube by 2. Okay, so into f of x minus 2, x minus 1, x naught plus so on s square into s square minus 1. You have to remember this one, s square minus 4, and so on, s square minus m minus 1 whole square into h power 2m f of x minus m up to so on xm plus plus s into s square minus 1 and up to so on s square minus m square h power 2. Write as it is, I will explain. x1, x2, and next x minus 1, x minus 2. Like this they give the value. So this is somewhat, here you will get that some f of x naught now. First of all we have to take the formula. Next, centered means, next again we have to take these values. Ikkada manaku vastayi kada values ivi. Next again malli middle lo. Next again like this. So again middle like this. So that's why here we are getting that f of x naught plus sh by 2. This value and this value we have to take, no? So that's why f of x minus 1 x naught x1. Okay, plus again middle value, only one value, s square h square, f of x minus 1 comma x1 comma x1. Again we have to take two values, s into s square minus 1 into h cube by 2 and so on. Okay, so that's why here we are getting the two terms. So one formula for these individual values and one formula for these. So that's why here we are getting that finally s into s square minus 1 into s square minus 4 into s square minus 9 into and up to so on dt. Okay, so up to so on h power 2m. Okay, even aithe, okay, 2m by 2 into this value. Otherwise simply here what we have to consider this one. Okay, so now here I am going to give the table clearly. So just write the formula. Formula rasesindi. The next take this table. And here n equal to 2m plus 1 is odd and n equal to 2m is even. Okay, so next table ma x values, f of x values and first divided difference. Okay, now see clearly. X minus 2, x minus 1. What I don't know how the values are, just simply I am taking in generally. Okay, so now here f of x minus 2, f of x minus 1, f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2. Next, first divided difference formula. Okay, so same thing, same procedure. This one plus, sorry, this one minus this one whole divided by this one minus this one. Then what we get here, f of x minus 2 comma x minus 1, f of x minus 1 comma x naught, f of x naught comma x1, f of x1 comma x2. Next, second divided differences. Now between these, no, f of x minus 2 comma x minus 1 comma x naught, f of x minus 1 x naught comma x1. Next, f of x naught comma x1 comma x2. Next value is simply here third divided difference. Now f of x minus 2 x minus 1 x naught comma x1. Comma another once last saripothundi, no need to write twice. Okay, so now here f of x minus 1 x naught x1 x2. Finally f of x minus 2 x minus 1 x naught x1 comma x2. Okay, so now here we have to consider x naught. X naught means here f of x naught we have to consider first of all. Center means middle. So if we middle nunchi two ways ki ellali formula. This value and this value. Malli 2 దగ్గర నుంచి మళ్ళీ సెంటర్ కి వచ్చేయాలి. సో దిస్ వాల్యూ మళ్ళీ 2 వేస్ కి వెళ్ళాలి. Again 1. Okay, like this we have to consider. Okay, so just take this table and write down. So next here again I am taking the same problem. Okay, so same indaka మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదా ప్రాబ్లం ఫార్వర్డ్ కి బ్యాక్వర్డ్ కి. See girls, I am giving the only one problem and I am discussing for that problem forward difference, backward difference and center difference, because you have to identify the difference between forward, backward and center. Forward enti first interval lo undela istaru, backward enti last interval nunchi consider chesela istaru, center enti ippudu middle lo undali manaku values. Okay, now write down ma. Consider the the table. మీకు మ్యాథ్స్ గా క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినప్పుడు టేబుల్ వాల్యూస్ ఇవ్వరండి, జస్ట్ సింప్లీ they give that x and f of x, you have to calculate all these values, remember that one. Okay, so నేను టేబుల్ ఒక సైడ్ కి కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాను. Now consider the table for the given data and use Stirling formula to approximate f of 1.5. So x value take f of 1.5 with x not equal to 1.6. So ila mention cheyali compulsory, okay na. So now here for the previous problem, the following data is write down now x f of x, question lo రాయండి ఇవన్నీ x f of x. x values ఏంటి 1.0 same values 1.3 1.6 1.9 2.2. next 0.7651977 0.6200860 0.455 4022 0.2818186 0.1103623. This is the question for this one. First of all, we have to construct the table. How we have to construct? This one minus this divided by 0.3. Okay, already we calculated, so I am using that form. This question, just in the solution, write down the table and here I am giving the values. Already you know all these values, but I am giving because here I have to use all this. 37057 minus 0.5489460 minus 0.5786120 minus 0.5715210. Next, minus 0.108739 minus 0.0494433. Next, 0.0118183 0.0658784. These are the values. Now what they mentioned, x equal to 1 point, f of 1.5 means x equal to 1.5. We have to calculate the value of value at x equal to 1.5, and what they mentioned, x naught is 1.6. So this is nothing but x naught, and this value is x minus 1, x minus 2, and this is x plus 1 plus 2, and here minus 1 minus 2. Down was the negative, above is the positive. Okay, so now x naught is. Next దీనికి f of x naught, మీరు దీన్ని రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, f of x naught కి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ this value, next between this, because here this one and this one. Next this. Got it? This is nothing but the center divided difference. For the center divided difference, we have to consider the values like this. Okay? Now for here, I am going to write the formula first of all, and after that we will go for the problem. Okay? So here I have the formula, so directly here I am writing that Pn of x. Okay? So now here, this is the table. Okay, so this is the table. Beside the consideration table. Now, Pn of x. So Pn of x means what is the n value here? N, what I said, n is equal to 2m plus 1, and is r, and n is equal to 2m, then it is nothing but even. So generally here, x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. So value is nothing but, what is the n value? 4. So it is nothing but even. Okay, so now here P4 of x equal to f of x naught is f of x naught plus we have to know about the s and h. So how we have to calculate the value of the h here? H is nothing but obviously we know that 1 minus 3, 1.3 minus this value, then it is nothing but 0.3 s value. So and here we have to calculate the value of the s by using the concept of the same thing, forward differences, x naught plus sh. What is x? 1.5 they gave, x naught is 1.6 plus I don't know s 0.3. So now s of 0.3 equal to 1.5 minus 1.6. That is minus 0. What we get now? 1 now, right? Correct or right? Sometimes we will get the doubts. Actually minus 1 only, minus 0.1 only, 1.5 minus 1.6. Yes, minus 0.1. And here s is equal to minus 0.1 by 0.3. So it is nothing but 1 by 3. So I have the value of the s and h. So s is 1 by 3 into h 0.3 by 2. Next, f of x minus 1. You have to write this formula, okay? Compulsory write because practice avali. So f of x minus 1 and here it is x naught norma. So x minus 1. This is nothing but f of x naught. So simply this is the value, okay? So now here minus 0.5489460 minus plus only, plus into minus minus 0.57866120, okay, plus s square. S square means 1 by 9, h square 0.3 square into this value. Okay, clear. Next, ఇక్కడ కన్సిడర్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ప్లస్ s 1 by 3 into 1 by 9 minus 1 h cube 0.3 whole cube by 2 of these two, the sum of these two, okay, of 0.0658784 plus 0.0680685. Okay, here next value is nothing but plus, so on we have. So now listen, here I have a h value, okay, n is nothing but n equal to, if n is, see here what is the value, n is nothing but 4, otherwise here I will write n equal to 4. We know that n value is nothing but 2m, which is equal to 4, so m is equal to 2, okay. Otherwise you have that another formula, 2m plus 1 is equal to 4. Now 2m is equal to 3. Now m is equal to 3 by 2. So which is not correct, right? So that's why, because here n value is even. So that's why here we have to take that n equal to 2m. In the note I said, I mean here, after this formula here I wrote. Okay, n equal to 4. So that's why we have to take this one. Now m equal to 2, substitute here. Then what we get? m minus 2 minus 1, 1 square. So s square into s square minus 1. So it already which is in our term. Okay, so this term is finished, right? Next, s into s square minus 1 and here m square. M square means 4. 2 square, no, so that's why it is 4. So now here plus s into s square minus 1 into s square minus 4 by 2 into h power, h means 0.3. Okay, so now already h cube is finished. Now h 2m plus 1, 2m is 4, 4 plus 1 that is 5. Okay, so next here what we have, sorry, here we have to write this one, s square, okay, wait. So I wrote up to here, and just here I am taking this value, x minus 2, x minus 1, x naught, and finally this one. So here we will get that this is the value of the x minus 1 comma 2 values untai ikkada, idemo 3 values. Okay, so 3 values, this one is finished. Okay, next x minus 2, x minus 1, x naught, right? So once, first of all I will write the formula, then I will substitute the values. Okay, This is the general formula. Now I am going to write for the value. Okay, here are all the values I have. So now here I am checking that Pn of x, that means P4 of x is equal to f of x naught plus sh by 2. sh by 2 means this one I am writing. Clear? Plus s square h square of this value. What will be the next value? Plus s into s square minus 1. Actually in your textbook they didn't give the formula, but I am trying to give this one. Okay. Now f of x minus 2, x minus 1, x naught plus f of x minus 1, x naught, x1. Okay. Next term. Okay. So here these values are finished. Next what we have to get? We have to get only one term. One term means this one. So now here s square into s square minus 1 into m value is nothing but 2. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So s1 square work enough. Next h into 2m. 2m value is 4. Next f of what is m value? Minus 2. So f x minus 2 comma up to 2 we have to write, and because x minus m so on xn. So that's why here x minus 2, x naught, x1, x2. The meaning of that one is the last value. Incoming values only, then you can go for this one. Okay? This is the formula. So indaka nenu ikkada varaku consider chesa, but I took this term. So that's why I didn't go. Okay, now here I am substituting the values. P4 of x, f of x naught value is 0.455 plus s 1 by 3, 0.3 by 2 of the sum of these two. Okay, this one is finished. Plus s square 1 by 9 into 0.3 whole square plus s into s square 1 by 9 minus 1 into h cube by 2. The sum of these two again 0.0658784 plus 0.068065. Okay. Last term plus 1 by 9 into 1 by 9 minus 1 into h power 4. Remember h square, h cube, h power 4. We have to get in that order and into this value. Okay. So now here directly 0.4554022 plus 1 by 3 into 0.3, 1 divided by 3 into 0.3 divided by 2, 0.05 of addition minus 0.548946 minus 1 by 9, okay, 0.3 whole square into open bracket 1 divided by 9 close bracket, 0.01 into, directly I am taking into 0.049. Here we will get minus, first of all I will write sign, 049 4433, 0.000494433, okay, plus, now here it is side, first of all I will do 1 by 3, 1 by 9 minus 9, that means 1 minus 9, minus 8 by 9, Okay, so now here first of all 1 divided by 3. Otherwise directly minus 8 by 27. Okay, I am writing the sign is minus directly, that's it. Now 8 by 27 into open bracket 0.3 power cube. Cube, and next whole divided by 2. Now the answer is 0.004 into the sum of these two, that is 0.658784 plus 0.0680685. So now it is 0.1339469 plus again 1 by 9 into 1 minus 9 minus 8 by 9. First of all 0.3 whole to the power of 4, okay, into open bracket. Here also we will get minus, no, 8 by 81. Close bracket. So we have one value 0.0008. Okay, directly I am taking the multiplication into here 0.4554022 minus 0.4554022 minus 0.056379 minus 0.000494433 minus 0.000535786 minus 0.50146008. I have the answer, just I'm comparing the answer now. I have that 0.39799. So I have approximately, first of all here I am writing the answer 397992619. Actually, at what is the value of the x here? 1.5. 1.5 lies between 1.3 to 1.6, right? So now here I have to get the value of the 1.5 in between these two, right? So compulsory ela undali value 0.6200866 and here 0.455 and so on. ఈ మధ్యలో ఉండాలి. సో మనకి కొంచెం మిస్ అయింది. Okay, so once see where it is, wait, I'll check the value. 0.4554022 and here here the value of the s is minus 1 by 3. Same thing, that's it, but here just okay plus minus 1 by 3. So here we will get minus, so here minus into minus plus. Next here whole square, no, so plus only. Plus into minus, minus. Okay. Next here it is minus this value 1/3. Square other column ero. Ikkada minus, so minus into minus ante first, second, third, fourth value. For the fourth value again we have a plus sign. So fourth value plus sign. Okay. Now do the addition. Plus minus plus 0.4554022 plus 0.056379 plus values chesna plus 0.0005357 876 minus 0.0494433 minus 0.50 Yes. So which is nothing but 0.51819997. Approximately 0.518181. Otherwise simply here 2. Now the value will be 0.6 ki 0.5 ki middle of value, so 0.5. So our answer is correct. Okay. So this is nothing but your second unit. So in the next class I will say how to prepare the first unit and second unit, and I will say the few topics related to the third and fourth units. Okay.